Alright guys, so just thought I'd make a little quick video for you. Now I did buy the WeatherTech sunshade for the front windshield. It does have a black and the reflective side. The black side would be for the winter to kind of heat up your interior so it's not cold when you get inside. Now I did previously make another video, but for the Prelude. Here it is, as you guys could tell, it is on there. So that one has been very good to me. I believe I had it, I really don't know, probably a year and a half, 2 years maybe, but it has really served its purpose and it really worked. Now you do see that little corner there just kind of fell down because I was moving the car in order to put the truck up here, so just kind of quickly put it down just so I could see out the front there. But I can guarantee you it does stay up by itself without having to put the visors down, so that's what I like about them. And to be honest, I was looking at different name brands in order to get one for the truck here, but none of them covered as well, or seemed like they covered as well as the WeatherTech. Alright guys, so there the fitment is right there, and I would say it fits just as well as the Prelude. See, it fits. Obviously you have to have the cutout for the mirror. Every mirror configuration is different, but let me show you. If you guys are looking at the quality of the reflective or the sunshade itself, check out the stitching, and it does have like a foam core to it. Now the other one, like I said, I've been having for like 2 years on my Prelude, and it obviously you do get your creases, whatever, trying to go around your mirror, but that doesn't stop the performance. It stays up by itself. This one is staying up by itself. You know, you just got to tuck it right, just kind of make sure the corners are up in there, and you're pretty much golden. You don't have to put your sun visors down. And guys, I'm not even sponsored or nothing by any of these companies, never have been. I really could put in the word for WeatherTech because they have really served me very well. And this was about, don't get me wrong, I'm just guessing right now, I think about 70 bucks, 75 bucks for the sunshade with the bag. It might have been a little bit more, it might have been a little bit less, but there it is guys. It's blocking pretty much everything out the way. I could guarantee you are going to feel a difference. Even on the black side, you would just use the reverse section for the winter time, and that one does heat up the interior a little bit. It doesn't really get cold here in Houston, Texas, but you know, it does make a difference whenever I do use it, and kind of overall gives the car a cool look when you just park it just blacked out. Let me know what you guys think of this sunshade. In my opinion, I give it 10 stars out of 10. I can guarantee you this is going to serve its purpose. And if you guys are picky like me, this isn't going to disappoint for sure. I just want to show you guys the quality of this again, you know. I want to make sure this is the best video you guys are viewing on YouTube, you know. I don't want to have you question some of the things and have to look at someone else's video because I didn't cover everything, but I'm trying to show you guys as much as I can. Stitching is very nice. The thickness of this, it feels very nice. Like I said, it has a foam core to it, so it does have a little bit of a thickness to it. There's the black side for the winter time, and then you got the reflective side. Now one thing I will say, to be very honest, after a while using this thing so many summers, the glue adhesive that puts this onto here, now it looks like they may have covered it here, but the glue adhesive started to come off, and then this little strap will start to slide. All you have to do is just re-glue it, not a problem. But actually it looks like they stitched this onto the actual sunshade, so they might have covered it. Like I said, I bought my other one about a year and a half, 2 years already now. But yeah, that's pretty much the only complaint, if I have a complaint, about the sunshade. But I can guarantee you, take my word for it, you're not going to just be wasting your money. You're going to waste your money on that Walmart stuff or wherever you're buying your stuff from. But if you're looking for a sunshade that covers as much as possible and actually works, this is the one to get. But definitely let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you picked this up or not.